Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you check whether the Node.js is installed on your computer or not. So for checking it, you have to open command prompt. So for opening it, you have to click on window key and then search here for the CMD. So here you can see command prompt is showing. Now open it. So now here you can see we are inside the command prompt. So let me just increase the size of the font so that it is visible. So now right here our command which is node v. So here you can see the version of Node.js is showing. So if it is showing, means the Node.js is installed on your computer of the version this. So if any error shows, means the Node.js is not installed on your computer. So this is how you can check whether the Node.js is installed or not. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.